Alright, what's going down, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Camping with Coleman. It's your boy Josh, aka Coleman, chilling like a villain, hanging out in the studio, doing what we do. So, today is going to be another unboxing. We got another box, so we're gonna open it up. Basically, it's gonna be a fast unboxing though, because my wife brought me home an apple pie. And if you know me, you know that I love pie. I love apple pie. I love strawberry rhubarb pie. I love pie. I just like pie. I'm a pie guy. All right. Anyways, that being said, I've got to pull some stickers off this first so everybody doesn't see my address. We have got another box from the one and only Axial Racing. Woo! Alright, this is probably going to be my last Axial unboxing for a while. I've done a lot of them. If you go through my playlist, my unboxing playlist, you'll see I've done my fair share of Axial unboxings. Today, though, we're going to unbox one that I have not unboxed before, so I'm pretty stoked. That being said, let's just jump right on into it. Got the trusty old X-Acto out. Let's chop this bad boy open. Pretty stoked on this one. Once again, a little late to the party, but that's okay. You guys know how it goes. Man, I don't rush to be the first to do anything. Never have, probably never will. But I do things when I feel like doing them. And today, I felt like unboxing the brand new Axial SCX10. What is this thing called? It's a 1969 Chevrolet Blazer. I knew it was a Chevy, but well, I wasn't sure if it was a Chevy or a GMC. I don't want to say it wrong, and then I couldn't remember. But anyways, 1969 Chevrolet Blazer from Axial. Somebody who's actually the first one I got to see in person of these was ELLIOTT from 2 Chainz Scalers when I went to Sacramento for my meet and greet down there with Highway 1 RC. I went to Fast Track Hobbies, hung out down there with those guys for a while. ELLIOTT obviously came through, hung out, and he brought his. He was one of the first guys to get his hands on one. So I did get to see them very early before they were released, but I didn't get one until now. So here it is, and I gotta say, it's looking pretty cool. Box art's looking pretty cool. Yeah, man. Looks pretty good. The blue isn't something I would normally go for. I'm not a huge fan of the blue normally, but it looks good on this. I like how they did the wood grain sticker along the side. It's pretty cool, man. It's pretty cool. Something you would actually see. Let's flip it around on the back here. Looks like it comes with your standard stuff. You're going to have Metal Gear Tactic servos, the TSX45, the 35-turn brush motor, TTX300 radio, which is slightly better than the one that came with the deadbolt. And then a 3-channel receiver, waterproof receiver box. Standard basic entry-level shocks. They're adjustable coilover setup. Wild bore plastic drive shafts, adjustable battery tray. AE5L ESC, waterproof one, which means that you can hook some lights up to it. Probably has lights. Actually, I think it does. I remember it does come with the lights. It says they're included anyways, but I think they're something funny about them if I remember right. Yeah, you guys know what it is. If you're new to Axial stuff, this is a scale trail truck. They're 4-wheel drive, locked differentials. They go places, man. They definitely go places. They're slightly scale, not the most realistic looking things in the world, that's for sure. But they're good platforms to build from. So if you're a scale builder, then you're probably like me and you probably have a handful of these laying around because you like to build from them. So that's why I get them anyways. And I was loyal to Axial for a very long time. I have quite the history with Axial, and I have shot many an Axial video. But I think this, I don't know, we'll see. This might be the last one I unbox for a while. I don't know, I said that about the last one I think too, but this might be the last one I unbox for a while. We'll see how it goes. I think I might be trying out some other brands and just trying to switch it up a little bit. You guys let me know in the comments. What would you like to see me unbox besides an Axial? You know, what would you like to see me test out, get into? Maybe we can make that happen. Who knows? But here we go. Here we go. Da-da-da. Oh, this one's a little bit trickier to get out. There we go. There we go. And we got that in there. Where's the radio at? Ooh. The radio is probably underneath. Yep, there it is. There it is. I'm messing up this mat thing here. This is a ProTech RC mat. I'm actually waiting on my CWC mats to come in. Stoked on those. I don't know if I'll have one out here or not. I might just use a ProTech one for the unboxing stuff out here. The workbench is getting all new CWC mats, which I'm pretty excited about. All right, throw this stuff away. Let's see. We've got our parts bag. This is just your typical parts bag. Comes with, let's see, rod ends, bull horns to put on the hood, shock accessories, extra lenses for the lights, and light pods, things of that nature. Yeah, just your typical stuff. Nothing I'll probably wind up using. And then we've got our radio. Let's see if I can get this open. There we go. This is the TTX300 radio, standard. It says SCT on the back. I wonder if that's like short course truck, what that's for, or SLT? SCT, I don't know what that stands for. Very curious. But this is a good radio. It holds its own. I've used these for a while, and they're honestly not that bad. Plus, they're programmable, so you can actually program these to do things like running your winch, things like that. There are some tricks out there. A few YouTube videos. I haven't done any on it. Maybe I should. But yeah, you can actually set these up to do a couple of things. They're pretty cool. A lot more useful than people assume. And then of course you got your book. Standard book, which once again has no stickers in it. That's disappointing to me. Axial. People like stickers. Put sticker packs in your RTRs. Alright, people like them. Alright, anyways. Let's go ahead and get the truck out of here. Clip the little plastic things on the bottom. And let's pull her out. There she goes. Throw that down there. And boom. There we have it, man. This is the new Chevy Blazer from Axial. Honestly, the color scheme is pretty dope. I actually kind of like this. The gray wheels is what's kind of making it work for me. The gray wheels don't actually match anything on here, but I like them. They look really cool. I don't know. It's just something about it. It's kind of brings it together. I don't know. It's big. It's definitely a big body compared to, like, say, the Deadbolt or anything else. The Trail Honcho. Definitely bigger. Has kind of like has a cool vibe to it. I don't know. It's kind of cool. It reminds me kind of like it should be a pre-runner. I feel like the suspension's sagging in the back though compared to the front. Like I feel like it's sitting a little funky there. Why is that? Is it preloaded on one side? No, it's not. I don't know. Is it actually sitting more to one side? Can't tell, but I feel like it's sitting down a little on one side. I'm definitely gonna have to tune the suspension up. A lot of noise coming off this body too. Like it. Like a lot of noise and stuff coming off of it. A lot of movement. I'm not sure how I feel about that. Cool though. I'd like to see a hardtop. Why is there not a hardtop option? Or is there? And I just am forgetting about it. I would like to see a hardtop. I figured it would have been cool if it would have just came with the hardtop and the cage inside of it, and then you could remove the hardtop. That would have been pretty cool. Still hate body pins. Wish that would go away. They gave us windshield wipers, which is really cool. They gave us mirrors, which is really cool. 2D interior, which is so-so. I wish they would just stop doing that and make a three-dimensional interior. Why fake the funk? We all know what we want. This is bothering me. Just noticed that. That's cheap. Not cool. Door handle's like broken or not glued in all the way or something. Yeah. It's like they didn't bother gluing that in or something. Or, I don't know. But or just didn't get pushed in all the way. I don't know. But I feel like that should be glued in at least. What was it? There was something that I just thought was really weird. Oh yeah. There's headlights, but there's no taillights. That's a little funky. You have full-on headlights up front with light buckets and a detailed grille. Very nice, by the way. But we have no taillights, like not even light buckets in there, which I find that kind of funny. Why would you not put taillights or light buckets? They have the 85L ESC in here, which means that it has an output for the taillights. So I'm not too sure why. All right, my bad. So apparently my battery was dead, and I did not know that because my camera just shut off on me. So new batteries in. Sorry if I shifted the frame and all of that stuff. I accidentally kicked the tripod while I was at it. But long story short, I guess we can go ahead and wrap this up. I really like this. I like the detail on the body. Probably the most detailed body to come from Axial thus far. Love the mirrors, the windshield wipers, the detailed window sticker around the front windshield. I love the door handles. I wish they were just fastened on better. Everything is cool. The detailed grille is really amazing. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that is just really good looking. Everything is great. I just wish we had a full three-dimensional interior. I wish it came with a full top. I don't understand why not. It would have been awesome. Some taillights would have been a really simple yet effective add-on. Not even an add-on. It's kind of something you would just expect to get with the vehicle. And these rock sliders, I gotta say these rock sliders are probably the best ones to come from Axial thus far. They're pretty much the same as what you would get, I think, on the CRC Jeep. Pretty close to it. But I like them. I like them a lot. And there goes my light. So that's pretty much my cue. I think we're going to wind up wrapping this up. The wheels are awesome. Falcon Wild Peak tires wrapped around some gray methods. Something I really enjoy the look of. The whole thing is just a cool package. All in all, I think this is one of the best efforts from Axial as far as a body goes. I just wish they would have gone that extra mile to finish it off. I feel like it's unfinished, and thus leaves me wanting, and I feel like out of the box I already need to do things to get it just to be where I feel it should have been, you know, anyways. So yeah, that's how I feel about it, just being honest. It does come with metal links, which is a plus. Very similar to the red JK. It's basically the same thing that you get with the red JK. They just put a new body on it. The wheelbase is fairly long. Body is really big compared to the Deadbolt and the Trail Honcho. Yeah, it's cool, man. It's cool. I just, you know, I feel like 2018, we should have went harder. We should have went further. I feel like we should have had a lot more realistic offerings hitting the table by now. I feel like a lot of companies are letting me down as far as, you know, pushing the envelope. I feel like everyone's just kind of floating through, just kind of riding idle, if you know what I mean. I would like to see some people drop the hammer a little bit, you know, go for the glory, you know. Let's press the envelope, create some competition, you know. Let's see how far we can take this. Where can we go? I mean, are the people that are making these things as hungry and as passionate as the people that are buying them? You know, and that's really what I'm starting to wonder about a lot of these companies. That being said, this is probably one of my favorites, and I'm gonna have some fun with it. You guys, let me know what you think. Jump in the comments. Would you like to see more detailed review on this? Would you like to see comparisons against some of the other Axial trucks or other offerings that are out there? What would you like to know more of? That being said, leave me a comment, leave me a rating, whether it's a thumbs up or a thumbs down. It does not matter. Just let me know what you think about the video. And if you enjoy it, subscribe, hit that bell for notifications. That way you don't miss an upload. That being said, be sure to follow my social media. I'm all over Instagram right now at ESP_RC. And yeah, let's have some fun. I'll see you guys out on the trail. Peace of chicken grease, fam. Yay.